Guys, this is JJ Andy, co-founder of Crypto Grinders. Alright, so today I want to talk about something that's very close to my heart. And I've been questioned and asked a lot about this particular question, and I think we should really ask it, right? So a lot of my friends been asking, hey, why I trade crypto, instead of the stocks or Forex, right? And you should too right now. And a lot of people has been comparing stock market, with crypto, or even Forex with crypto. So I'm here today really just to debunk this particular idea, alright, or which to trade, and what exactly should you be looking up for. And this is just gonna be a very short snippet of what I could share in a most of the time. And that being said, just a little bit background about myself, right? I started stocks trading, or I actually bought certain stocks back in about 5 years ago. And it wasn't doing that well back then, right? I didn't know how to analyze the value of a stock. I didn't know PE ratio. I didn't know anything, right? So I just want to get started on trading, alright? So of course, I did pay some school fees of my own because I lost money, right? So it wasn't easy to handle back then. When I was young, back in 21 and 22, and losses could seem so big, right? Because we don't have much capital to begin with when I was young. So stock market was so scary back then for me. And then 5 years ago, I started in Forex trading. Now, Forex trading means leverage trading, right? It's margin, right? That means to say for what $1,000 that you put in, there's a potential that you could times 10 it, or even times 5 of it, depending on your brokerages, of how much leverage they can give you. And that actually entices you to trade more because profit can be high, losses can be high as well, right? So margin trading is always of higher risk. So if you know what you're doing, only then you could venture to Forex trading, right? So when I witnessed the crypto market coming in, that was back in 2016 in November or so, when Crypto Grinder himself, Ryan, actually came and talked to me about it. And that's when I really went into crypto market, right? But the whole entire idea back then was that I was thinking and I was looking at cryptocurrencies, right? Now, a lot of people are looking at it, and a lot of people, newbies, beginners, they're looking at it like a ticket to everywhere, right? A ticket to Lambo, a ticket to everywhere in the world. But you gotta understand one thing is that great businesses and great enterprises takes time to build, alright? The same truth, it's for crypto. Alright, and a lot of cryptos are coming out with white papers, ICO things, and they are basically air, right? There's fluff. It's basically nothing, and so you have to really analyze a token. So this is my kind of theory, alright, that you have to be looking at when you're analyzing your tokens, right? Just a quick one. Now, this is my kind of analogy to it. When you see a crypto, you should be analyzing it like a stock, right? So you gotta look at its P ratio, you gotta look at its value, you gotta look at where its potential growth, whether the business model makes sense, and things like that, right? That's like a fundamental analysis kind of thing. Now, then you bring in the Forex ideas that I had, right? So I've been trading Forex for the last 5 years, I had some success here and there. It's a lot of fun to me because I'm always looking at macro point of view, right? Now, macro economics point of view means you're looking at inflation data, you're looking at gross domestic product, data, you're looking at inflation, you're looking at reports from the Fed, FOMC meetings, even European Bank policy meeting, things like that, right? ECB is meeting. So same logic applies in the crypto. You're looking at sentiment. So you basically are looking at FUDs, right? You're looking at Korea market, you're looking at China market, you're looking at how basically the whole crypto market is actually responding to it, right? Now, Forex also has a very similar link to cryptocurrencies, right? Because it's currency. And you're looking at fiat currency versus cryptocurrency, right? Now, some people always say this to me, right? Andy, so we're looking at stocks and we're looking at Forex, right? They are mostly regulated. And when they are regulated, when they are centralized, it means there's more control, right? And at the same time, about 3 trillion flows through in the Forex market on a daily basis, right? Well, of course, in stocks and indices and indexes and whatever not, there's a higher amount, billions of dollars a day transaction as well. So when you're looking at the stock market, when you're looking at the Forex market, it's tough to really compare it with crypto, right? Crypto is like a wild west right now, right? It's everyone's game, and at the same time, there's so much risk, right? It's like the beginning of the days of stock market. You're looking at it in crypto, all right? So you can be a part of it. The one thing that I really, really want to advocate and encourage people to understand is this. You cannot always expect that there's a double-digit gain, right, in crypto. when you have a double-digit gain like what you see in Stellar right now, there is also a potential of double-digit downwards or down movement, which is very common in crypto, right? Anything can go from 50% up, the next day or the next moment you can go 50-70% down. So that happens a lot in the cryptocurrency world, and you will have to learn how to stomach that, alright? So take note, understand this, right? I'm not giving you investing advice, I'm not giving you trading advice. I'm just being transparent here to show you and showcase to you the different kind of wares that we do have right now in the market. So the basic ones are always people making comparison with the stock market, which is where traditional investors comes in, where Wall Street people comes in and they buy Bitcoin, right? Now, there's also another group of people who are from the Forex trading background coming to cryptocurrency. Now, because Forex background, it comes with a background that you're always fast moving, right? You're always looking at trades. And however, because it's a $3 trillion industry, a business or transaction on a per day basis in terms of volume, therefore, technical analysis levels on, say, certain resistance and support levels play very strongly in Forex. Okay? Or even fractal support, or you're talking about Ichimoku Cloud, you're talking about Fibonacci, you're talking about Elliott Wave. It all makes sense in Forex because it's a huge market, right? And because it's a huge market, there are levels that are played very strongly, and you could be stopped out on those levels. And those levels could be played out by the brokerages. You never know, right? Because the margin is set by them. So when you think about it, comparing between a centralized and a decentralization, of course, there's a risk when it comes to cryptocurrency as well, right? Because it's decentralized, therefore people can go through the fork, people can do up different stuff, they can do airdrop, they can do anything that they want because it's a wild, wild west, right? I could start an ICO on the spot, do a white paper, hire someone on Fiverr, for instance, write a nice white paper, and I can launch my ICO the next day, right? Find some advisor, find some YouTubers to help me to promote my ICO. So that can be done as well. So back to the main topic today. Why cryptocurrencies instead of the stock market or even the Forex market, right? Now, here's the thing. If you're very fresh to investing and trading, welcome. Alright? And crypto, it's a great place to learn, but it's also a great place to lose money. Okay? And I can guarantee you that people who comes in doesn't have a plan, and when you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. Alright, so if you don't have a plan, you plan to fail because it's easier, right? Proper prior planning prevents poor performance, right? 6 P's. So when you come into the crypto world and you have no idea what to do, it's a very, very scary world out there. Right? And when you're all alone, really, it's bad, right? So you go into any Telegram group. I know some of you who are watching this right now, even though this is pre-recorded, I know and I can feel you and I understand where you are right now. You're possibly holding 20, 30 tokens, and you have no idea what to do with it, and at the same time you're at a loss, right? You bought at a high, perhaps example you bought Ripple at $3 and don't know what to do, you're stuck. So at a point in time, you need to know when to cut your losses, right? You need to know what to do exactly, right? So this is the comparison between cryptocurrency and Forex, right? And Forex is really margin losses. You could lose your entire account in a few trades, right? I have a friend who actually lost close to 50,000 Sing dollars in like 2 or 3 days just on Forex trade itself. Margin call a few times. That's it. Alright, the brokerages just close his account, give him back the measly like 200, 300 US dollars left, and that's it. Alright, so what I'm trying to say here is this. There are many news out there. There's Forex news, there's exchange news, alright? You look at the different currency drop, right? Percentage wise, you can look at the stock market. Okay, different stocks going up at different percentages. Notice how they are always usually 1 digit in terms of percentages. But when you look at the cryptocurrency, it can go from double digit, to negative, double digit growth, negative growth, whatever, you name it, right? And because of that, a lot of people are coming to the market with the wrong concept, right? And they feel that coming to cryptocurrencies means they can make the millions, they can buy a Lambo, right? You can go to the moon, you hold something and go to the moon. So yes, okay, that could be the possibility. But do take note that coming to cryptocurrencies means you have to bear the risk. Alright? So at the same time, we are at the very beginning stages of cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're just coming in as an investor, my point is just get the few basic tokens, right, that's available in the market on, for instance, Coinbase, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, for instance, and just hold it for the next 5 to 10 years. And you're basically okay, right? You won't do that badly. Now, if you're a speculator, a trader, you have spare time on the side, the one thing that I really discourage people to do so is, especially when you're still learning, is to quit your full-time job and go straight full-time into cryptocurrencies. Don't ever do that, right? That's too much risk. What you want to do is to mitigate that risk. You work on a full-time job. At the same time, part-time, you are trading and learning at the same time. It takes so much time to learn, right? You got to learn fundamental analysis. You got to learn business evaluation model, systems itself. You got to learn technical analysis. There's just so many things to learn. And it takes time to really digest so much information, right? Even whatever that I'm sharing with you right now, I believe it takes some time to digest, right? So here's my point. Why would you want to be trading in cryptocurrencies? Is because we are right now at the very beginning stages of it, right? It's a Wild West. It's decentralized, yes. Government is trying to regulate it, yes. But still, we are at a very young stage. Still quite early in that sense. We are still in the billions, not trillions yet, alright? Comparing to the stock market and Forex itself, right? Where interest rates are, variably changing, where you see stock market prices going very high, Nasdaq going into a new high and all, and there are telltale signs that economy downturn could be coming soon, right? Now, I'm not trying to spread FUD within the economy itself or even within cryptocurrency itself, but we gotta know that it's coming. So the question is, how are you getting ready for it? Okay? Now, so there's a reason why I am less focused on stocks right now. I'm less focused on Forex right now. I still do a little bit of day trading on Forex sometimes. That's it. I don't want to hang on too much to my margin trades. But I'm holding and I'm swing trading cryptocurrencies for a long time. Alright? So this method of mine may not be suitable for you because it all depends on your risk profile, your age, all depends on your experience. But that's my point of view, right? People tell me they day trade on cryptocurrencies and then they swing trade on Forex. And that can be done as well. But, I question the purpose of day trading on crypto, right? It's so much stress. And at the same time, there's a lot of fees that will be deducted as well, right? So my point of view is this. Start learning how to trade in crypto because this is going to be the new age thing. You want to be earlier than other people. You got to learn how to do it properly, right? So here's the entire idea that cryptocurrencies have created. We have created a Discord platform, right? A premier chat that I believe Ryan and I have been speaking and talking about it quite a fair bit, right? So I'm not going to share a lot about the details of it. You can just click on the link below on cryptogurus.com/premier and you could understand more about what we're trying to create and what we're trying to do. Now, in summary, we're trying to create a group, a premier group, a small group of investors or a small group of traders that are coming together to become the A students, right? So coming to trading, coming to anything in life, yeah, if I want to get better, I'm a C student. Let's say I'm a C student, right? I fail badly in exams, for instance, like calculus or mathematics or something like that. And I want to get to an A, right? I want to become an A student instead of a C student, right? That jump from C to A requires a lot of energy. It requires a lot of support. So where do you get the support from? It can't be possibly that you say that, okay, I'm gonna just follow this Telegram group. I'm just gonna follow this pump bitch, whatever, right? And I can pump this coin, right? I can get from a C to an A immediately. Now, instant gratification doesn't work in the long run when it comes to investing and trading. You gotta bridge that gap, right? So cryptocurrencies, what we are trying to do here is to create that bridge for you. So you can bridge from a C to an A. You want to become an A student, you gotta sign up for that course so that you can become an A student. You don't say that I'm a C student and I'll wait for myself to be good to become an A student. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't work that way, right? So we have created that community already. We have received tons and tons of great testimonials that I could share with you. There are pages of it, and in fact hundreds of it, right, over the few months that we have collected. And so that is really created something. And ultimately, we want it to be for the community, by the community in the long run. And the admins that we have, the facilitators, I tell you, oh my god, they're from different time zones, they have different experience in life, and they are all here to help you out, right? We are all here to help you out 24 hours, right? So I understand some of you are different time zones, right? Doesn't really matter because we are still around most of the time and we will still be able to handle your questions when you post it on live chat, right, in Discord itself. And you have the precious time to talk to all of us and even Ryan, right? So sometimes Ryan gets too busy, he won't be able to message you, reply you. I am here, the rest of the team are here, we'll all be here to support you in the cause of learning cryptocurrencies. And this is the time right now to make cryptocurrencies. It's now or never, right? This is the best time. Okay? So last of all, in the last 20 seconds, I just want to wish, right, my buddy, my partner, Ryan, a very, very happy birthday. In fact, today, 25th January. I know I'm leaving 25th January today. It's crypto grinder Ryan's birthday. Alright, so I just want to wish him a very, very happy birthday, blessed birthday with his family. So he has been appearing less on YouTube, but he'll be right back soon. And we've been busy with some projects here and there, but watch out for crypto grinders in this space. Alright, we're gonna be very, very big in 2018. Alright, so catch you guys next time, tomorrow in fact, and I'll be doing later content on Forex, really comparing in Forex and telling you how to really diversify your portfolio from crypto into other asset classes, and we can talk about that in the next session tomorrow. Alright, so I'll catch you all tomorrow. Take care guys. Bye.